And new Microsoft Mesh for cybersecurity? We investigate. Imagine this scenario. A cybersecurity researcher finds and reports an IT vulnerability in a computer system that millions of users rely on every day, but the vendor can't fix it within their promised time frame or budget, so they move on to other things. The vulnerable systems continue operating in their compromised state until months later, when an attacker actually takes advantage of the vulnerability and potentially exposes hundreds of thousands of users' data and sensitive information to hackers, who will then use this stolen information to access even more data. Sounds like an episode of CSI Cyber, right? The history of cybersecurity. In order to understand what mesh security is, it's important to first discuss how we got here and where we are now. Let's start at the beginning. What is mesh? Mesh is a term used to describe a situation in which one person shares information with another, and that person, in turn, passes it on to someone else. The key features of the mesh operating system. There are a number of features in mesh operating systems that define it, including highlights from the MS 17010 Patch Tuesday update. Patch Tuesday is a regular event hosted by Microsoft in which they provide updates and patches to its software, Windows in particular. What does this mean for cybersecurity moving forward? What does all of these acquisitions mean for cybersecurity moving forward? How will they allow tech giants like Google and Facebook to use data sets to strengthen their cybersecurity defenses, and what will be impacted by them in the long run?